we are now going to install Plex Media Server. The URL I have here takes you to the page related to Linux distributions. You have the option, if you have a Plex Pass, I have one, to be included in beta releases. Pick your choice. And in Linux, you have the latest stable release. Since in Linux there are different distributions, I'm going to choose the one that applies to me, and this would be Ubuntu 16.04. And I'm just going to right click on that, choose copy link, and I'm going to paste that into the command to download from within my Plex Media Server. That is the curl command. The download will be placed in tmp as pms.deb, and that is the URL I'm fetching from. I'm now going to install the installer from here with elevated privileges. And the next thing, I'm going to verify if it is installed and running. And as you can see, it is loaded and it is active. I'm quitting, quit. For Plex to be included in this process of upgrading the package, and if there is an upgrade, applying it, you need to enable the repo updating. There is a file which you need to edit, and you need to simply uncomment this line. I'm going to exit, and when asked to save, I'm going to say yes.